Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your DeepSeek AI account from the app itself. So if you've downloaded DeepSeek AI as a try and you think this is not for you, then let me show you how to delete your account from this DeepSeek AI. So first you want to go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, go ahead and tap on these two lines at the top left. This will bring down the menu. From here, go ahead and tap on your profile picture here at the bottom left. This should show your email address. Next, from this menu, find Delete Account. Tap on this. And now, if you want to delete this account, go ahead and tap on Delete. As it reads, deleting your account will forfeit any unused balance and will block access to all the DeepSeek services. So if you agree, go ahead and tap on Delete. And now, this will delete your account from the DeepSeek AI server. So there you go, guys. That is how to delete the DeepSeek AI account from DeepSeek. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.